That's the magic number. About 85 is about all I'm interested in being long off of. No need to get in this early. If the bulls break out here, we could get a nice run, at least 44.50 area, 44.45 area. Yes, I'm very tempted to be short here. Let me give it a few more minutes. Let's give it some time. I'm in no hurry. I don't want to get short and then stopped out ready for the long. I'm just going to give it some time here. But what I really need to do is let this hour close. It's looking very bullish. There it is. There it is. See, I need to let this hour close. Up here, another 5-minute candle staying up here. I'm getting long. We stay up as long as we hold this between here and the hour. I'm gonna get long, and I want to get long. Wait till the hour, or get long at the beginning of the hour, a little bit before the hour. If we can stay up here, I'm getting it.
Order filled.
Be careful there. I pay myself a little bit there, but I'm not getting out. I think this thing's going. We'll move some profit stop up here on some of this. I don't want to sell. So some of it, just now I sold some of it. Some of it I just want to keep moving up. I'm trying to catch this full size. Since I'm only into one strike, I'm trying to catch it full size. I sold a couple into strength, and the rest I'm gonna keep moving my profit. If they run this up in the last couple of minutes and they close this over the trigger range, pull back, I'm gonna add another strike. Long.
Order filled.
I gotta pay myself. I just took off 80%.
Order filled.
So I don't usually chase strength right there, so that's just small size. I got an order sitting out on if it pulls back to get filled, but as soon as it broke that new high. Next target's up here, and ooh, we got a gap to close. Look at that shit. 6, beautiful, 44.88. Oh yeah, we got another $50 to go from here if we can get through this little 37 spot. And let's try and look at it. Just keeps tapping, doesn't it?
Order filled.
I'm gonna go ahead and close out my profits there on this. Okay, so that's all I'm doing is moving my profits up. I'm not even selling into strength unless something happens and I just want to get out of here. But I'm gonna watch this 44.44. Let's go.
Order filled.
I'm paying myself. That's as close to 44.44 as I need to be. I'm paying myself. Okay, and I'm down to 2 contracts. I'm gonna just keep my profit stop in place on those. And those babies could run, who knows what they could do, right? 44.62. Where are we at? 52, man. That would be the target. I damn near top ticked my cells, man.